Meet artist Mary Welke. Mary has a BFA from the Minneapolis College of Art and Design, an MFA from the Pratt Institute in New York City. Mary Welke's current work as a recipient of a Minnesota State Arts Board Artist Initiative Grant 2020 is inspired by prairie and farmland use and restoration, and her mixed media pieces explore the use of nature as an art material. She is well known for her birch tree series, fields and wetland paintings, and her work is displayed locally as well as in international collections, including the permanent collection of the Guilin Art Museum in Guilin, China. Thanks to a grant from Southwest Minnesota Arts Council, the Canby Area Arts Council provided an intergenerational arts opportunity with Mary Welke as the facilitator of this hands-on mixed media workshop. Participants explored using local organic materials along with acrylic paints and handmade papers, resulting in original works of art to call their own. Another added bonus was the opportunity to network with artists of all ages from Southwest Minnesota.